Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. And I just want to show you this classy motorhome. It's a Forester 3011 DS. Really nice, a solid unit. Really great features. Got our kind of our electronic mirror and system there. Got really nice furniture, a nice big size dinette here, solid surface countertops, flat screen TV, double door fridge, perfect for really the family vacation. Double door domestic fridge. Got a shower here, and then of course the queen size bed with our plenty of storage here, and then bathroom, nice good sized bathroom. A little hard to see in there, a little dark today outside. Alright, let's take a look outside. Alright, so this does have the Ride Right air helper springs. A little more comfortable ride there for you. Slide toppers do come standard with an automatic awning. Backup camera also comes standard. And slide toppers here on this side too. If you have any questions about this RV, give us a call. 772-288-2221. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.